What's up guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, I need some new lights and I don't want to fork out a load of money. Obviously if you're watching this then you don't need it. So I'm going to show you some lights that will cost you a couple of bucks, if not nothing at all. Should be just stuff you've got laying around your house already. So let's get into it. But first, we're going to need sticky tape, a knife, pencil, scissors, roller, a light globe. Try and get daylight because that's going to work best. Baking paper, parch paper, whatever you call it where you're from. Aluminium foil, as we call it down here, alfoil. Spray paint, now this is optional. Some black cloth tape. This is also optional, but it makes it look a lot better in the end. It's just a light socket that I pulled out of an old lamp, and a cardboard box or any type of cardboard. Now, my baking paper is 30 centimeters wide, so I'm going to make this 28 centimeters, so I've got something to fold over. Clean up the edge. Measure 28 centimeters. Measure halfway, which is like 14. Draw a line down the center. Measure your 28 again. Measure 28 here. And 28 here. Connect the dots. So you end up with a square. Put the center point on 5 so that you can measure 10 centimeters with the center being in the center. Draw a line from here to here. Another line there. Now you want to cut this out. Bit blunt. Now you're going to want 3 more of these for a total of 4. Grab one. Grab some foil, enough to cover it. Flip it over and make sure you got the shiny side on the bottom. That's going to be on the inside reflecting the light. Now just fold it over and stick it down. Again with the other side, make sure it's tight. Just make sure there's no bits sticking up that can get caught and ripped. Now do that to the rest of them. While you're doing that, just hit that like button down there. I want to see how many people actually do this. It's a bit bendy, but that should be alright. Get some of your cloth tape. Stick half on one piece. And then stick the other piece with the other half. Trim off the excess. Again with the next one. And the next one. Now get one last piece on one edge. Gonna grab the other end and fold it over with all the shiny on the inside. And stick it down so it makes a box. Now you want to grab your cardboard again, stick that there. I need some more camera angles here. Trace around the box. Cut it out. Wrap it with the foil. But before you do that, you're going to grab your light socket. Take off that thing. Put it down and trace around it. Cut it out. Make sure it fits. Once you've done that, stick it to the top like I have here. This is when you can also paint it black, just makes it look a bit better. If you're going to paint the top, make sure you cover that hole. You don't want any overspray getting on the inside. Once you've done that, stick your light socket in, screw on the plastic thing. Grab your baking paper. Now this was so hard to find. All the shops were sold out because everyone's home with coronavirus baking. Now you want double the width, or just over double the width. tighten it up. Don't forget to put your light globe in. Stick it all down. Make sure you pull it tight. Make sure it's not hanging over the top there, because you'll get shadows. And then tape it all around. And we're done. Plug it in, turn it on. What it looks like. Much better. Now you can make 2, 3 of these different angles and you'll end up good. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like the video if this has helped you out, leave a comment and tell me what you're going to do with them.